As humans, we've incorporated water into every aspect of our daily lives, from cooking and consumption to irrigation, ecology, sanitation, landscaping, firefighting, electrical power, and recreation. Water is there for us. Public water suppliers in the U.S. process 38 billion gallons of water per day for use.
Here in Cleveland, I'm thankful that we have a reliable water source.
In Northeast Ohio, we are privileged to have access to a unique and abundant freshwater resource, Lake Erie. Lake Erie contains 125 trillion gallons of water and is used to provide service to 15,000 businesses and 400,000 households. Over 1.5 million people rely on Lake Erie's water every day. The average shower takes between 15 and 25 gallons of water. It takes 2 gallons of water to brush your teeth, and it takes 40 gallons to do a load of laundry. The amount of people utilizing water resources in Northeast Ohio alone totals over 1.5 million. Who ensures the vast amount of water we use is clean, safe, and reliable? The Cleveland Division of Water provides water to customers throughout Cleveland and the surrounding suburbs. First created in 1853, the Division of Water is one of the 10 largest water systems in the United States and is a recognized national leader in water utility management. In order to provide water to its customers, the Cleveland Division of Water maintains a critical infrastructure of treatment plants and pipelines that deliver water to the entire region. Essential to that infrastructure are the water treatment plants, responsible for treating the water supply for Greater Clevelanders. The Division of Water currently maintains 4 treatment plants, 3 in Cleveland and 1 in Westlake. On average, the 4 water plants push over 234 million gallons of water through the pipeline daily. The oldest of the 4 treatment plants is the Garrett A. Morgan Water Plant. Constructed in 1917, the Garrett A. Morgan plant marked an extraordinary advancement in filtration and water treatment technology, providing Cleveland with improved water quality and preventing disease. In 1925, the Cleveland Water Division constructed the Baldwin Treatment Plant. Baldwin, which included the largest covered reservoir in the world, was also an engineering phenomenon for its time. As the population and water demand grew, so did the system. The Nottingham plant was completed in 1951, and the Crown Treatment Plant followed in 1958. Recent upgrades to the plants and other infrastructure have allowed the Cleveland Division of Water to continue to supply clean and safe water to this region. The treatment plants also contribute to the most critical step in providing clean and safe water to the residents of Northeast Ohio. By removing potentially harmful pollutants and bacteria from our water supply, we sustain a healthy and vibrant community. This cleansing process requires a tremendous amount of processing and is monitored by state and federal regulations. One of the major water intakes for the Cleveland region is the 5 Mile Crib in Lake Erie. From this point, water travels to shore, where it is sent to one of the water plants for treatment. The actual treatment process begins at the traveling screens inside the plants, which remove debris from the water before it is sent to pre-oxidation, a process where chlorine and oxidants are added to the water. Next, the water is mixed with alum and powder-activated carbon, chemicals that absorb taste and odor while helping dirt and other solids bond and settle for easy removal. Once dirt, odor, and taste are removed, a final filter removes any leftover pollutants before the water is sent to a finishing reservoir where disinfection takes place. The end result is water that is safe for your consumption. Some of the city's infrastructure is over a century old, has become outdated, and is in need of repair. Should these repairs be neglected, the city's water supply, health, and economic vitality are at risk. Aging pipes break more frequently, interrupting the delivery of water and posing hazards and costly disruptions to the community. For example, during the blackout of 2003, many people were left without water. Fortunately, through the addition of generator facilities at critical Division of Water locations, adequate and reliable power should not be a problem in the future. The Cleveland Division of Water has embarked upon an improvement plan which will upgrade the system infrastructure and technology. This will ensure a continued supply of safe and reliable water to Cleveland residents and businesses, a key to our economic vitality. As an example of those improvements, the Division of Water began a plant enhancement program in 1999 to prepare our aging facilities for Cleveland's future. Already well underway, the final goals of the PEP are to make our water treatment more reliable, meet and exceed federal and state drinking water regulations designed to protect public health, renovate and replace aged facilities, maximize operational flexibility, efficiency, and safety of the Cleveland water plants. One noted improvement from the plant enhancement program includes an upgrade to computer systems at all 4 treatment plants, allowing plant operators to perform their jobs more efficiently. Although Cleveland is lucky to have an abundant supply of water from Lake Erie, the process of making the water ready for consumption requires a tremendous amount of expertise, resources, and money. Over 1,200 people are employed by the Cleveland Division of Water. Over $2 million is spent per year on treatment supplies to ensure our water meets and exceeds EPA standards. There are 21 storage facilities in the Cleveland water system. Over $18 million is spent per year on electricity to run the pumps. Over 70 suburbs in the greater Cleveland region receive their water from the Cleveland Division of Water. Many companies like Middle Steel Company, Ford Motor Company, Nestle, Pepsi, Pierre's Ice Cream, and NASA rely on the division for their water, and Northeast Ohio in turn relies on them for jobs and economic stability.
Water is very important, especially in our industry, to where without water we really couldn't grow anything, and having good, reliable water sources is a real key to our success. The fact that we have so much fresh water, it's a very, very attractive thing to the area. It's just an invaluable resource to have.
The Cleveland Division of Water is constantly reshaping and reevaluating their procedures to provide a superior level of customer service. New customer call center methods are being put into place to better serve the division's 415,000 customers. An automatic meter reading system is also being initiated to obtain more accurate and efficient readings from targeted accounts. The Utilities Department, which oversees the Division of Water, is researching the possibility of wind power and hiring an energy manager to make sure practices are as environmentally sound and cost-effective as possible.
It's important in the fire department to have reliable water because we cannot fight fires without water. Water is our main source of controlling fires, and if we have a situation where we have a freeze up during the winter months, or we have a low pressure line in the event of fighting a fire, it could actually be a very disastrous situation. So water is vital in all aspects of our job and us being able to fight fires and save lives.
The cost of 1 gallon of Cleveland tap water is less than a single penny, yet the value of our water shouldn't be determined by the cost, but instead by the quality and reliability of the product and services we receive. The Cleveland Division of Water is working hard, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year to ensure that our most vital resource is of the highest quality and always there when we need it. For more information on the Cleveland Division of Water and the Plant Enhancement Program, check out www.clevelandwater.com.